Canvas is an online platform. One of the most important things with online is keeping up to date with assignments. In order to help you with that, on the dashboard of Canvas, you will have a to-do list on your right side, as well as any new announcements from your teachers. And you can also quickly access your calendar by going to the Calendar tab. And each course, as you saw on the last screen, are color-coded, and you can customize those colors. When you look at your calendar, and here you're seeing the month view, there's also a week, so you can see your assignments in a weekly view, but you can look out a month. We'll go ahead to September, where you can see one of the teachers has an assignment. We don't have many just because the courses aren't fully active yet, but you'll see this is pink, which is color-coded to my course with the pink teacher. And these are, again, are just sample courses for right now, so they're not named, just teacher names. But you can see how it will color code your assignments to help you see what assignments are due for each class. But as I said, it's very important to stay up to date on your assignments, so that's why they put the items right in the main dashboard. And there's many ways you can look at that to help you stay up to date.